myself Jatan Mathasole, and today we are going to solve a LeetCode question. Question number is 125, valid palindrome, and the description is phrase is a palindrome if after converting all uppercase letter into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string S, return true if it's a palindrome or false otherwise. So here are some examples. So example one is a man, a plant, a canal, and banana. So first we have to remove all these white spaces, all these extra, uh, this comma and semicolon, etc. And we convert all the uppercase letter into lowercase, and we have to make a proper full string that contains only letters and numbers, only lowercase letters and numbers. So first we have to convert this into this type of string, and then we have to check if we reverse this string, then it's same as original or not. So this is the question. So first of all, I tells you the logic to solve the question. So first we have to convert a given string into alphanumeric string that contains all lowercase alphabets and letters. No white spaces, no colon, semicolon, or etc. Any other thing. Just lowercase and numbers. So for that in C++, we have a function that is called is a lnum. So this is the function. What does it checks if the given character is a number or alphabet. If if it's true, then we have to do an operation on it. So now I write the solution. First, I have to write a for each loop. Before that, we have to make a string, let's say clean equal to blank. Then we run a for each loop, and it contains character C from given string S, and here we check if is a lnum C, then we have to do like clean plus equal to lower C. So here we check if the character from given string S is uh, a letter or a number. So if it's true, then we have to add it in a clean, our other string. Now the clean is a alphanumeric string that we want. Now we have to perform an operation that checks if this alphanumeric string is palindrome or not. So for that, first I take two variables. Let's say I equal to 0 and j equal to clean dot length minus 1. And I run a while loop, and I run it through where I is less than j. And in that, I'm going to check that if clean of I is equal to clean of, okay, wait, if clean of I is equal to clean of j, or we can say it's not equal to clean of j, then we have to return false. And in this while loop, we change the value of both I and j. So first we increase the value of I, and then we decrease the value of j. After this while loop ends, if while loop ends without returns false, then we return true. And here in example 3, it's a blank string. So it's our base case. So we also need to handle the base case. So for that, here I will apply a if condition that if clean dot length equal to or let's say yeah, equal to 0. Then we directly return true, right? Now first let's run the code and check if our code is correct or not. So all three test cases are passed, accepted. Now submit the code. Okay, so code is submitted and 0 millisecond is runtime. So I hope you understand the solution in question both. And let's meet in the next question. Till then, bye.